Ever wondered why home repairs are frustrating? Could it be that you've not yet discovered the right ally for your home? In the next 2 minutes, allow us to introduce you to Mr. Handyman, your home's ultimate companion in its journey from just okay to peace of mind. We've transformed tens of thousands of homes with our expert services, earning rave reviews along the way. The first pillar of our service is the experience we bring. Our handymen are not just skilled, they're craftsmen with over a decade of experience. They know their trade inside out and are passionate about bringing their expertise to your home. The second pillar is our unwavering reliability. When you call, we answer. When we promise to show up, we do so on time. We are committed to being there for you when you need us. The third pillar is our done right promise guarantee. We don't just aim to satisfy, we guarantee it. We stand by our work and ensure that it lives up to your expectations. Choosing Mr. Handyman isn't just about fixing things around your house, it's about elevating your living experience. We offer more than just a service. We provide peace of mind, superior quality, reliability, and most importantly, the gift of time. How much longer can you afford to let those nagging issues linger? Address them today with Mr. Handyman and enjoy a stress-free home repair experience. Click on the link below to discover how Mr. Handyman can give you back the time you deserve with your family. Book your appointment today and start living in the home you've always dreamed of.